Welcome to Inside Factory Work. This is the place where we take you behind the scenes of the world's factories and reveal how things are really made. From money printing and food processing to giant manufacturing plants, industrial machines, and advanced production technology, we explore the fascinating processes that transform raw materials into the products we use every day. Every video takes you deep inside real manufacturing processes, showing each step from start to finish in a simple, educational, and cinematic way. If you're passionate about factory documentaries, industrial technology, giant machines, and how it's made content, you're in the right place. To watch more amazing factory stories, manufacturing secrets, and behind-the-scenes production processes, be sure to subscribe to Inside Factory Work and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's go inside the factory and discover how today's product is made. Inside Factory Work, where we show you how things are really made.
The holographic strip seems to be misaligned on reel 7. Check the recalibration logs. Verified. It's within tolerance. Continue monitoring.
The alignment is perfect on this run. Excellent. Continue the run. Monitoring output, everything looks correct.
The registration is holding perfectly. The colors look spot on.
Line A4 reports QC status OK. Density readings remain stable. Error rate at 0.01%. Proceed with batch. Verify batch count. Checked. Proceed with stacking. The system indicates perfect registration here. Confirmed. Moving to output. The microprinting registration looks perfect on the latest batch. Verify the security lines one more time against the digital scan.
Data は正常ですか? はい、問題ないようですね。
The security seal is in place. Noted. Scan the serial. Pallet secure. Initiating placement sequence. Placement complete. Verified alignment. Operation green. Scanning sequence initiated. Data confirms verification. Approval granted. Move the pallet.
Here at the National Printing Bureau facility, AGVs move pallets of the 10,000 yen banknotes along designated paths.
Checking seal. Seal applied. Moving container. Verified. Ready for transport. Keep the pace steady, maintaining the synchronized pattern. Clear. All lanes are running according to the established schedule. Monitor the trajectory of AGV 20.
Unit 3 flow rate stabilizing at 98%.
Acknowledged. Confirming pallet transfer to sorting bay 7.
The manifest is complete. 10 to 10,000 confirmed. Attaching securely now. Manifest confirmed, seal applied. Processing complete. Copying data to main server. Verified. Proceed to next container. Pallet 12 approaching checkpoint 4. Copy that. Conducting final inspection. Confirmation received. Moving to loading bay.